Now, welcome to Entertainment Channel. I go by the name of Jemomore. Kama kawaida, if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel. And if you appreciate my content, you can go ahead and push the like button.
Hello, motherfucker.
Yes, now today we're going to talk about popular gospel musician and clout chaser number 1, Ringtone Apoko, who yesterday went to court to testify against blogger Robert Alai, who allegedly assaulted him earlier this year. Now, for those who don't remember, there's a video that went viral earlier this year of Ringtone Apoko being assaulted by none other than blogger Robert Alai, which is very odd because you don't think the chances of two celebrities meeting and actually getting into a physical altercation, you actually think are things that are very rare. But Robert Alai a few months ago assaulted Ringtone Apoko. I think ilikuwa ni ile road rage. I think there was something that was happening between them two, and Ringtone Apoko was actually badly beaten by Robert Alai. I think alimpiga na kirungu, and Ringtone actually went on social media and accused Robert Alai of assault, and he actually went to court and is actually currently in court accusing Robert Alai of physically assaulting him, and is actually anataka kulipwa 416,000. That is the amount he's asking for the damages, because Robert Alai alivunja dirisha yake ya the Range Rover. But anyway, here's the video.
Konga kutoka yote kioo inavunjika in pattern. So alikonga mara ya kwanza kioo ikakuwa pieces zilikuja ziliingia ndani, lakini kioo iko na layers. So ya pili akagonga kichwa ya rungu ikaingia ndani. Ya tatu wakati aligonga mahali alikuwa anagonga analenga vizuri, alinigonga hapa. So na hakunigonga kama amenyamaza, yaona. Alinigonga akisema Ringtone nitakuua. Alinigonga hapa. Vitanda hivi.
Yes, as you can see in the video, you can see that Ringtone Apoko is being emotional. You know, the problem with being a clout chaser like Ringtone is when things are serious. Hata saile unalia uko serious, people just take it for jokes, and that is one of the big problems I have with Ringtone. Because hata mimi ningekuwa huyo judge, singetikia alie kwa kote yangu, because Ringtone, I think is because he's so much of a clout chaser that even vitu zikiwa serious, you just see him as a clout chaser only akiwa serious. Because personally, I can't take his crying very serious, because unajua ile mchezo huu msee anapenda. He's always a joker. So personally, kumuona akilia in court, I saw it as a joke. I don't take it seriously. But anyway, Ringtone Apoko amepeleka Robert Alai, the blogger, I think he's running for MP Kileleshwa. Alikuwa anafaa kurun somewhere huko Kisumu, but he decided to change, and right now he's running for the Kileleshwa MP seat. And Ringtone Apoko anampeleka court saying that he needs to pay damages of 416, because that is the, you know, alivunja with screen ya Ringtone, and Ringtone is demanding those damages. But anyway, tell me in the comment section what you think about this whole story, because personally I can't take Ringtone Apoko serious, because hii kulialia, hata ukiangalia kwa video, hii kulialia, I think it's because he's such a big clout chaser. Me, I don't take it seriously. Plus Robert Alai mwenyewe haongei, he hasn't commented on the whole situation ever since it happened. Yeye anasema tu it seems like Ringtone deserve it. I don't understand exactly what transpired between the two, because ilikuwa katikati ya barabara. So maybe it's road rage or something that happened between the two that caused Robert Alai to physically assault Ringtone. Na Ringtone ukiona in the video alikuwa analia sana, kama venye tu analia jana koti. And personally, like I said, Ringtone is so much of a clout chaser. Mimi siwezi mchukulia serious. Mimi hatakiwa niyo judge, mimi naweza tupa hii kesi nje, so that people can use their mind and be serious. But anyway, tell me in the comment section what you think about the story, and also remember to follow me on Instagram at jemomore.ke, and I'll see you in the next one.